We'll guide you through how to fix CurseForge not opening your Minecraft. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing, ringing the bell icon, and liking this video. Let's get right into it. The first thing we can do is click these three dots over here and click on Repair Installation. It will give your game files a proper restart, and that might just end up fixing it. If it doesn't, however, we can go to Settings over here and click on Minecraft. Scroll down a little bit and make sure you're using Use Mojang Launcher. A big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to create a Minecraft server, look no further than Apex Hosting. They provide lag-free customizable servers which are ready in just a few minutes. You can host your own adventures with ease. They offer a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backup. Please be sure to check them out. The link will be in the description of the video, and we'll also make a comment and pin it, and you can check them out. Next thing we're going to do is scroll down a little bit more, come to allocated memory. I have this cranked all the way up to 16 GB because that's how much RAM I have in my PC, and you should also probably have it on max. And then you can tweak it until your PC runs fine and your game also runs fine. So make sure your PC is giving sufficient memory to support Minecraft and the mods. The next thing we should check out is the Java version we're using. Java 8 is quite old now, and it's relevant for older Minecraft versions. I am running Minecraft version 121.11, and therefore having Java 21 and Java 25 is necessary because they help run the game. If you're running an older version of Java and you're missing these recent ones, this may be the problem. So what you should do is open your browser and write java.com, open it up, and here is the button Download Java for Desktops. Hit download again, and then it will prompt you to save it up, and install it. I do have another fix. If your game is running fine for certain mods and is posing an issue for others, it may be because that specific mod is buggy. So what you should do is open the mod which is causing the issues, click these three dots which are correlated to the mod itself, open them up, and repair profile. This might end up getting rid of the buggy files and your game might start running properly. However, if that does not fix your issue, I have one more fix. Just scroll all the way up in the settings over here, and this Minecraft modding folder, click on Change. This install folder is very important. It holds all the necessary files for your game to run properly. If no other fix is working, you should just delete this folder, close out CurseForge, and reopen it for a fresh install of these game files. If you found this video to be helpful, please like our video, and that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.